General Philip Valerius Vanda on Monday officially handed over command of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces ZDF to General Emmanuel Matatu in a ceremony that showcased not only military tradition but also the evolving political power dynamics within Zimbabwe's security establishment. The transition held at Chos Gumbo Barracks marks a significant milestone in the ongoing realignment of the military that has redefined ZDF politics since the 2017 coup. Sabina mashukubranyi kwachinzi military power shifts in ZDF politics and subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tibita Mzimai, Serambranyi Rachiti. General Matatu, recently promoted from Lieutenant General to Full General, now steps into the top post in the ZDF. In a parallel reshuffle, Lieutenant General Asha Walter Tafmani, the controversial first co-founder and one of President Mnangagwa's closest loyalists, takes over command of the Zimbabwe National Army ZNA, replacing Matatu. These changes extend well beyond the routine succession planning. They represent the culmination of a carefully executed restructuring of the security sector. For years after the 2017 military intervention that propelled Mnangagwa to power, the ZDF remained dominated by commanders loyal to Vice President Konsano Chiwenga, the operations chief architect. But once in office, Mnangagwa began steadily dismantling this Chiwenga-aligned network. Key figures from the 2017 command structure were retired, redeployed to diplomatic posts, or quietly eased out of influential roles. Former Air Force Commander Perence Shiri transitioned into cabinet before his death. Operatives linked to military intelligence were reassigned. The loyalists entrenched in the presidential guard were replaced by officers aligned to mnangagwa's inner circle. Tafmai's elevation to army chief is the most explicit signal yet of how thoroughly the balance of power has shifted. A former Deputy Director General of the Central Intelligence Organization CIO, Tafmani was instrumental in building Mnangagwa's shadow political machinery, including his role in forever associated Zimbabwe First, the quasi-security election structure. Accused of widespread voter intimidation, his rise to command of the National Army formalizes the entry of Mnangagwa's most politicized loyalists into the heart of military command, a move unimaginable during the height of Chiwenga's influence. The ceremony itself reflected the political subtext. President Mnangagwa presided as commander-in-chief, while Vice President Konsano Chiwenga attended in full military fatigues, a highly symbolic gesture for a retired general at a time when his sphere of influence within the military is shrinking. His reappearance in uniform has fueled speculation that he is attempting to reassert his military identity in the face of Mnangagwa's steady removal of his allies from key posts. General Sivanda, who succeeded Chiwenga as ZDF commander in December 2017, delivered an emotional farewell after 51 years in service. I live after 51 years in uniform. I never put the ZDF or my country into disrepute. I have fought a good fight, he said. His tenure is widely regarded as a period of delicate balancing, holding together a military that has long been central to Zimbabwe's political power, while navigating widening rifts between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga factions. Doma developments are from Zimbabwe. What's the mafugro enyu motuli pamusoro penhau iyi? Pinda comment section medu mafugro enyu. Subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.